Hi, this is Steve Castle with Castle Real Estate Group, and this is the November 2021 market update. The holiday season is officially upon us with Thanksgiving next week, and with that comes some seasonality in our market typically, as sellers will often decide to hold off putting their homes on the market, and buyers are busy with the holidays and look into January for some increased inventory. Last year, we didn't see our normal seasonality as the hot market kept things active for both buyers and sellers. In this update, I'll let you know what we are seeing so far and what will that mean for buyers and sellers. I'll look forward to 2022 and let you know what the expectations look like for the market. And finally, I'll let you know why, if you're a serious buyer or seller, you may want to consider being active this holiday season instead of sitting on the sidelines. Last month, we noted a slight increase in listings and a slight decrease in homes under contract. Based on what we're seeing this month, it looks as though that trend, as slight as it was, has reversed again and is leaning back in favor of sellers. Active listings are down to around 7,500 after creeping up over 8,000 last month. Homes under contract are at 12,300 versus 11,600 same time last month, and days of inventory is back down to 24 after reaching 26 last month. For the first time in the last several months, the average selling price is down to 100% of the listing price after spending several months above that level, indicating less bidding wars, which is good news for buyers. But the average sales price in the Valley has now topped $500,000 for the first time, coming in at $518,000, and the median sales price is up to $420,000 from $410,000 last month, showing us that while demand has cooled from its peak, it's still very much a seller's market. This is telling us that while we are seeing some seasonality back in the market for sure, it will likely not have a major impact on the state of the market beyond the immediate days surrounding the holidays. Demand is still incredibly strong, and any extra inventory hitting the market is being absorbed easily. When we look out to 2022, there are lots of questions about the economy, interest rates, and where the market is headed. Many of our buyers are hoping there will be a market correction, and our sellers are asking where are we seeing things headed so that they can do their best to time the market and maximize their returns. In the end, timing the market can be a challenge, but if we look out through the first quarter, we expect interest rates to stay low, inventory to stay low, and the growth in the Valley to continue as we see more and more companies relocating here. All of these factors lead me to believe that there is no pricing correction coming in the near term. Unless there's a significant event none of us are expecting, such as a large change in the Fed policy or political turmoil, it's hard to see what would send the market into a correction. If you're a seller and thinking of selling in the next 12 months, the most likely place we could see something change is in the market would be the midterm elections next fall, and it's not uncommon to see some uncertainty as those approach. The Fed has hinted at rate increases about the middle of next year as well, and some tightening of the monetary policy. If they are too aggressive, this could also cause some instability in the markets. This time of year, it's very common for our clients to ask us if they should wait until after the holidays to buy or sell. The truth is, it really depends on your individual situation. Historically, this time of year, we expect only the most serious buyers and sellers to be in the market, as most others will choose to enjoy their holiday and pick up the process in the spring. For buyers, that has meant some more opportunities to find and negotiate with motivated sellers that need to move. And for sellers, less homes on the market at times has proven an advantage, especially if your home has some flaws and that would not stack up as well if it faced more competition. This year, it's hard to know how this will all shake out because of how low inventory is. But I think if you're a motivated buyer or seller, there will be plenty of activity this holiday season. If you want to discuss your personal scenario and work through the best options and timing for you, we'd be happy to help. Until next month, we want to wish you and yours a very happy Thanksgiving holiday. We'll see you next month.